Hi everyone, welcome back to Creatively Crafted Life. My name is Melanie and we are talking all things Croptoberfest. In a previous video I released, I talked about how I am hoping to host a Croptober event on October 23rd. It will be a full day event. I don't have all the details worked out yet, but I do want to let you know about the offering that Creative Memories is putting out. I promised that I would share this with you. So these are exclusive products for Croptoberfest, and they're probably going to be something, you know, while supplies last. Once they're gone, they're gone. My hope is to include in the Croptoberfest day some ways that you can use these products. So if that is something you think you would be interested in playing along with, you will want to pick these up. So they have a bundle, and the bundle is composed of some pattern paper, some cardstock, stickers, 3D embellishments, as well as a sketchbook. And the sketchbook gives you a bunch of different options that you can apply either using this paper itself or other, of course, other stuff from your stash. Basically, the kit is kind of a project recipe kit, and the idea behind it is that they provide you with a couple layouts and cutting instructions and instructions as to how to do them. Of course, you're more than welcome to doing that. Because you already will have these instructions if you purchase the project recipe kit, what I'm going to be showing you will be something different. So if you like the layouts and you want to do that, plus you want to participate or play along with what I'm going to be showing, you may want to pick up more than one. So as I mentioned, there are 3D embellishments. There's these 4 stickers here. They're very pretty. They've got like a watercolor look, which I think is just lovely. And then you get your 12 by 12 sticker sheet. Lots of fun. And then we get into the pattern paper. I love this sunflower paper. I think it's just gorgeous. The back side is a yellow with these leaves, and it's got like a plaid in the background. So we get 2 sheets of those, and then we have this, I don't know if it's burlap, but it kind of looks like a burlap kind of woven fabric. And the other side of that is also another plaid. So 2 sheets. And then we have these really cute pumpkins. And what I like about it is it's not in the traditional, you know, orange, something a little bit different. And the back side is this really pretty green leaf, and it's a large print. So those are the 6 papers, pattern papers you get. And then we get some cardstock. There's a purple, this green, a couple sheets of the brown. These are just, you know, normal 12 by 12 cardstocks. And then there is this metallic. Isn't that pretty? It's almost like a copper, but it looks kind of goldish, somewhere in between. And then we get like this rusty color. 2 sheets of those. 2 sheets of the bright yellow. And 2 of this shimmery champagne kind of color. And I think they have official names. The official names of all the colors are Autumn Hay Shimmer Cardstock, Bronze Shimmer Cardstock, so there you go, it's bronze. Goldenrod Cardstock, Hot Fudge Cardstock, and Burnt Orange Cardstock. Okay, so these you can all purchase as a bundle, or you can just purchase the recipe kit on its own. So that would be the 6 sheets of pattern paper with the stickers. You can purchase the embellishments separately. I think these are only $1.50, which is a great deal. And if you've got cardstock in your stash already, you know, you could use that instead. In addition, they have these laser cut frames, and they also brought in a featured album. I haven't even taken mine out of the wrapping yet. It's got this really pretty sunflower embossed in gold on this yellow album. I think it's really quite pretty. I will probably use this for documenting my love of gardening / gardens. At least that's what I'm thinking. And then the final thing I want to share with you that I have is this little mini album that you can purchase. It comes with glue dots and Also some ideas as to how to use this book with cutting instructions. Now, I'm going to be honest. Something like this, by the time I was finished adding paper and stuff to it, it would probably be like that thick. And so what I am going to do with this is I'm actually going to tear this apart and use it to create layouts. So again, if that is something that you are interested in seeing, you'll want to sign up for the Croptober event, October 23rd. Again, more details are going to follow for that. Before I sign off, I want to share with you some non-creative emery finds that I found at my local Hobby Lobby that I think would work really well with the Croptoberfest kit. So I'm going to just walk you through a few of the items I found, just in case you want to supplement your kit as well. So first of all, I found these wood pile fun wood veneer pieces, and they have just a bunch of different owl sizes, so I thought that would look really cute with this collection. The Paper Studio line had these three-dimensional sunflowers with some gems in the middle. In the non-crafting section, but in the fall and autumn decor, I found these sunflower embellishments. These were all on sale, by the way. I think they were 40 or 50% off. So these are larger ones. So it's $3.99, 40% off, so not too bad. And then these ones here are smaller, so I thought those would be really great embellishments. Also in the wood pile section were some of these wood veneer leaves, and also some sequin leaves that I thought would be kind of fun, not just for this particular kit, but for others in my stash. And then I went to the fabric spot. Now, I have started incorporating or trying to incorporate some different pieces or different textures in my scrapbooking and card making, and one of them is taking fabric and converting them into elements that I can then use on a page. Okay, so while not a perfect match, right, the colors are a little bit more intense than here, what I do like about this fabric is it does have the pumpkins, it does have the sunflowers, so it's kind of a coordinated theme, and some of the pumpkins are white with the sunflowers, so I thought that would work really well. Now, here's what I look for when I'm looking at fabric for embellishments. I'm looking for images that have a lot of space around them so that I can trim these out just like a die cut. So you can see this would be very easily trimmed. This would be as would this. All of these actually would work really easily. You can even trim out these little leaves to add as smaller embellishments. So this is a really good one for that. Not a perfect match, but I think you could make it work. And another one that I thought was really cool was this fabric here. So this one is just sunflowers, but again, you've got that clear delineation around the images, so these would be super easy to cut. Now, would I necessarily pair this up with this? Maybe not, but I could easily pair that up with the green or the plaid. It basically just expands my kit. So I thought I would share these finds with you in case you are looking to bulk up your fall section and you're thinking you might need a few more embellishments to go with your kit. I will let you know that the event will be free. I want this to be accessible to all, so hopefully you can make the date. I think that's it. So these are available now for purchase. Again, I would think it's until they sell out. There is also currently a promotion with free shipping. If you spend $80, you will get free shipping. I think that lasts until September 10th. Don't quote me on that, but it will be on the website when you click on to place your order. In addition, if you sign up for my event and place a minimum $50 order here in the US, so this would be applicable for US participants, I will have some additional printables to coordinate with this collection, and I will send those to you before, just before the event, so if you want to print them out, you will have them available. For those of you that are not in the US, of course you're still welcome to participate in Croptoberfest with me. And if you're interested in the printables, we'll work something out if you're not able to place an order. Okay, so that is it for now. I hope you enjoyed having a little peek at what is coming up, and I got to get working to put all this together so I can give you the specifics here shortly. Until then, happy crafting.